Okay, so welcome back to our fourth episode in this Git series. Okay, so in the last episode, we actually committed our first index.html file to what? Our Git project, and we checked on the status, and it was empty. As of now, there's nothing to what commit anymore. So I want to run a command for you to see. It's called git log. Now, what actually happens is that once you run a commit on a particular files or on a particular files that you've added to your Git project, it creates a log. It kind of actually keeps record of that particular commit. So in this case, you would be able to go back to this particular Git project whenever you want to. Now, the fun thing about using version control, and Git is a version control, it helps you to do what? To avoid asking yourself question, what if I make a mistake and delete a file? You understand? So you'll be asking yourself several questions like, your app might break, as in there might be some fix that has to be done somewhere and you don't know where exactly to start. So usually, if you don't use Git control, version control, you might be tempted to actually create a copy of this entire project, and this project might be about 50 megabytes or 100 megabytes. You understand? That means it has a lot of files, especially when you're using frameworks. That means this is going to have a lot of files. Then this lot of files, you're going to make a copy 1, copy 2, copy 3 whilst you are working, all right? Because you want to save yourself from having your code to break at a point and you don't know where exactly it breaks. I've ever been there, and reason with me and you will understand why you need to keep all your projects on Git. All right, so we committed our first, we made our first commit and then we had a log. Okay, so let's go on and then let me intentionally make some change here inside our project. I'm just going to add some h2 and I'm going to say hello world. Okay, and yes, after making this change, I'll go back to Git, type Git status to check the status of my page, and you can see that something was modified. The index.html was modified, and as it has been modified, it hasn't been added to our Git project. So we need to do that, and then now we'll commit. All right. So the basic workflow, you say git add. So instead of listing the name of the file, we can actually bring a dot, all right, which means all. Then we would actually, at this stage, we've added our file to our Git project. So let me say status again, and then you see that modified, all right. So CLE, if you are from command prompt, you'll be tempted to type CLS, all right. It's not gonna work. So you say clear. Okay, then now we can say get status again, and you see modified. Yes, we've now taken a photo, we've added it to our Git project. Now we need to commit and say yes, we accept the change. So I'll just say git commit -m and see what did we do. Actually, I think we added a test, right? So add a test to our page, something like that. All right. Okay, then I'm going to hit on enter, and this has been committed. Now I'm going to check on my status, and you see there's nothing to check anymore. So in the next episode, I'm going to show you something else that would help you in the long run.